Unbelievable. 3 videos, 1 day. I'm just watching another a YouTuber, Donald J. Trump, is promoting his freedom cities. Did you ever notice how politicians make up sweet names for their new laws? The Patriot Act. Smart cities. 15-minute cities. You can't go outside of your jurisdiction without a permit. Where are you going? Show me your papers. Once again, by the fruits of his labors, guys. There's nothing good about a smart city. Thousands and thousands of cameras keeping an eye on everything. I'm telling you, they get this digital currency rolled out. Government, well, not even government, Federal Reserve. I think it's a Federal Reserve digital currency. Plus their smart cities. Plus all the chemical spills getting people out of the countries and into the cities. This is a big ass agenda. This is an agenda they've been working on for a long time. Did you guys ever notice all the pictures of Klaus Schwab with Donald J. Trump? WEF, baby. It's scary, man. I don't want it to be this way either. I'm looking for a hero too, and all I can find is myself. Some of you guys are awesome, but I'm not going to consider you my saviors, my heroes. We're on our own. Get out of the system. You know, you vote for the lesser of two evils. You're still voting for evil. And that's why I refuse to vote. Because there's nobody worthy of voting. Even, oh, man, Hudson. Hudson just put up a video about 15-minute cities. He's like, have you heard about these 15-minute cities? It's like, where you been, man? I told him in the comments, wait till you find out how many politicians are tied to the WEF. He said, I'm looking into it right now. I'm going to promote Hudson for president, okay? I'm not going to vote. I'm not going to do it. I know it's rigged, but man, if you guys can do it, look into Hudson. All right, praying for you, praying for the world. Peace.